Dear students, hi Chetan KY. Today I am going to explain about isometric projection. Here you can see this problem. A sphere of diameter 50 mm rests centrally on the top of a cube. Okay, a sphere of diameter 50 mm centrally rests centrally on top of a cube. Top of a cube of sides 50 mm. Cube is 50 mm. 50 cube. All sides are okay. Even sides, edges, and height. Everything is 50 mm in cube, in case of cube. So here a sphere of diameter 50 mm rests centrally on the top of a cube of sides 50 mm. Draw the isometric projections. Isometric projection of the combination of solids. Right? Isometric here is like a 3D view, 3-dimensional view. Okay. So you can see one phase, second phase, first phase, second phase, and third phase. Right? 3 phases. You can see 3-dimensional phases. And if we incline a solid, any solid at 30 degree or it may be 60 degree, usually we are going to use 30 degree. Okay, if you use 30 or 60 degree, okay, you can see 3-dimensional figure. Okay, for example, here is a cube, right? The cube, okay, this is 1 dimension, right? I'm going to incline like this, right, with respect to VP. Okay, so you can see, still you can see only 2 dimension. Okay, if you incline like this 30 degree inclination, the base edge is a 30 degree inclination. Now you can see 3 dimension, right? 3-dimensional view, right? So you can see isometric view. Yes. So one minute, listen. Here you can see 50 mm, right? 50 mm, right? In case of 1-dimensional view. Okay. In case of inclination, you cannot. This image, this line appears to be compressed. Right? In 2 dimension. Okay. If you incline like this, still all the edges are same? No. All the edges appears to be compressed. Sir, compressed. Okay. How much it is compressed? If you incline the object, an object, okay, at 30 degree, okay, the dimensions of the solid will reduces to 0.8164 times. Okay, if you have 10 mm, that if this image is if this length is 10 mm, okay, if you incline like this at 30 degree inclination, right, how much it will be reduced? 10 into 0.8164 times, right? There is a formula for that. Okay, there is a construction how to get this 0.8164. I'll explain in the next video. Okay, there is a separate chapter is there, right? A separate topic is there. Okay, this is how we are going to construct the isometric object. First you have to draw the 30 degree. Okay, so for example, to construct this isometric object, we have a separate grid sheet. So these lines are already 30 degree inclination. And also you can see each unit is measures 0.8164. You can check 0.8164. You can check 0.8164. Okay, each unit measures 0.8164, not 1. But come to here, right? Each in previous grid sheets, this block measures 1 centimeter almost. 1 centimeter. Set 1 centimeter. We got as 10 mm, right? 1 unit is equal to 10 mm. So here in isometric, 1 unit is equal to 1.8 mm. 1.8 mm, right? So 0.8164 times, if it is 10 mm, 10 mm into 0.8164, it becomes 1.8 mm, like that, right? So in this type of grid sheet, we are going to construct the isometric projections, right? So the first problem is we have to place a sphere of 50 mm diameter on the cube of cube diameter is 50, right? Okay, in the next video I'll show how to construct this problem, right? Thank you.